Look at the interface of Instagram thread app. I will open the app now. You can check. Hello guys, welcome back with another video. Myself Adil and you are watching the Trenders. Now let's get start the video. Now I will open the app. You can easily log in with Instagram account. Amazing interface. This is the totally text-based conversation app. I will create account allow. This is the interface. Amazing. Now I will click profile icon. Now see 0 followers. My Instagram ID is not attached. You can create account with Instagram. Okay. You can post. Click the center button. This is the center button. You can post anything. This is the heart icon. Your replies mention activity verified. This is the 0 followers. Now go to the Instagram. You can easily find on Instagram. This feature also available on search. You can search threads. Now you can click the red arrow. See. Okay. Now go to the profile. You can click the profile. Click three dot and you can easily find threads. This feature announced today. Okay. 6 July. Threads. Now, this app is available on Android and iOS both. You can open Play Store and App Store, search Thread and Instagram app. This is the app. Amazing app you can enjoy. If you enjoy, like this video. If you not subscribe, click the subscribe icon. Post anything. Okay. Thanks for watching.